One day I'm gonna show my kid like that. I got that because I was a hard-working man. And it wasn't made in China, it was made in Thailand.
Right for you cause you're the realest. Fight for you cause you're the realest. Here for you baby girl if you need it. Protect you by all means and a million. Baby girl, I want you know you're the realest. Baby girl, I want you know you're the realest. Right for you cause you're the realest. Fight for you cause you're the realest. Here for you baby girl if you need it. Protect you by all means and a million. Baby girl, I want you know you're the realest. Baby girl, I want you know you're the realest. Tell me what you need. The world, I'll make it yours.
It's your boy Danny British. Man, well, go on. Anyway, man, it's freaking raining today. And I did a video because I'm leaving the property now. My girlfriend just texted me that food is ready, so I'm gonna go eat some food, man, because I haven't eaten all day. So I'm here with Beans. Yo, Beans. Yo, Beanie. What you up to, bro? What you up? She probably not in the mood right now. Maybe. I wonder if motherfucking Beanie moods work off the fucking weather. You know you got some people out there that mood work off the weather. I wonder if Beanie's like that. But yeah, today, man, I mentioned in the video clip that I did before. I might put the whole clip in, or I might just cut that clip up and take pieces out of it to kind of relate to what I'm saying now. But what had happened earlier is this morning I got a phone call that I needed to come check some box I got on the property. So I'm like, what? Like, I'm not expecting anything in the mail, you know what I mean? So I'm like, man, alright, I'ma slide. So I came through, and it was a box from the office, right? So, you know, I see the box from the office. I'm like, well, am I fired? Well, it wasn't that big of a box for me to be fired. I'm like, man, why the hell do I get a box from the office? And what had happened is the office basically gave all of us a cup as a token, a small token of appreciation for basically our contribution, you know, to keeping the I think it's the executive marketing and consumer team going, the EMC. I think that's what it is. I think. Don't quote me on that. But this is basically what the logo has on it, or the design they have on it. And basically on the back it says, I appreciate you and all that you do to make our EMC team fabulous. In honor of Employee Appreciation Day, I hope this swag, this purpose swag inspire you to help reach your own personal potential. Kindly, the VP. So, with that being said, I want to see what the VP sent me. You dig me? Yeah, with that. So with that being said, here's the box. I want to see what the VP sent me. I haven't even pulled, man, did I just reveal my address? I haven't even freaking pulled the tape or anything. Man, I don't even have a knife with me right now. I'm just gonna have to savage it out. One second, man, bitch. Okay, there we go. That's all I needed. Because if it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. That's right. Alright. Alright. What greets me? Okay. Cup from a rum. Hell yeah. cool. How cool. See every possibility. Isn't that cool? That's a print. And then on the back of it, it has the company logo, which is classified information. So I'm gonna keep that one to myself. But yeah, I really appreciate this, man. That's cool. That is cool. One day I'm gonna show my kid like that. I got that because I was a hard working. Got the box, token of appreciation. So that was kind of cool to see, because a lot of people lost their job at the company I'm at. So we had 800 furloughed. I think some of those people got called and returned. I don't know the number on that. And then 500 contractors got let go in total. So that's a pretty big hit to any economy and any workforce, really. So I'm just happy that my skill sets and the other people around me, their skill set were of the skill sets that the company needed to continue. And that's what you want to focus on. You want to focus on whatever you're studying in college, if you're going to college, or if you're self-learning, whatever you're learning on your own, you want to make sure it's like applicable in multiple avenues. And you want to also make sure that it is in demand, or in somewhat demand. And if you can make the lifespan on your skill set one where no matter what happened to you in life, I mean, if you go to prison, if you freaking get sick for months and have to be out of commission, because a lot of people don't think about that. A lot of people don't think that, hey, you could get sick for like a year and a half and can't work. Like, do you have the financial structure to maintain? And a lot of people don't have the financial structure to maintain. A lot of people pretend. It's great to pretend when you can afford to pay that credit card payment and pay that whatever payment plan you have with all these financiers. But what happened when you can't maintain making those payments? What happened? Like, what investment do you have out there that's gonna come back and keep you going? Because that's how we have to channel our brain. Like, how can I pull myself out of this money making position? Yeah, I'm great at making money, but it takes my action. It takes me doing something to get back a return on my action. How can I now create something that will make money and it's passive, it's in the background? That's how you have to look. For me, I do stocks. I have my retirement working alongside me that comes along with my employment, so that's an extra benefit. Then I have cryptocurrency. I've been doing cryptocurrency from before 2017. So I've been doing cryptocurrency since 2016, when BitConnect was around, when you could put money in BitConnect and make a ton of money every day. Real freaking crypto veterans remember BitConnect. BitConnect turned out to be a Ponzi scheme. Either it was a Ponzi scheme or it got shut down by the government. I don't know what to believe. All I know, when it was making money, I was happy. A bunch of people was happy. And when it crashed, we were okay. Like, we knew what we went in knowing that it's a possibility that it could be a fraud. But in the meantime, even though it could be a fraud, if I'm gonna put this freaking 10 grand in that I would have went shopping with and blow anyway, and get back a freaking 10% every day, I think that was the return. You put in 10 grand, you make back like $1,000 a day or something like that, or $100 a day. Can't remember the freaking, I would have to try to figure it, go look at my transaction if I can get access to that and see. But man, we're making money a day. I remember we wanted to sell stuff and unload stuff so we could put a big ass checking the freaking BitConnect shit. I remember we wanted to liquidize, and I remember saying to my friend, you know, why do we have to get rid of our stuff? Let's take our credit scores and go qualify for personal loans and take those personal loans and invest it. And at least we know if the money fuck up, we can afford the freaking monthly payment of the loan. that was my scheme. And yo, I remember freaking hitting the bank and giving them everything and waiting for the approval of the loan, bro. I remember I wanted like a 30 grand loan. My friend was going for a 30 grand loan too, so 60 grand, and we're gonna put that in the market, man. Make back that money in like 30 days, double that freaking money, because it would be 10% every day. So I'm like, yo, we go freaking get it, bro. Man, it's like the universe didn't want me to fuck up like that, bro. The universe didn't want me. In the process of the whole, you know, there's a time period they gotta go through, they gotta review, they gotta approve you and everything. In the whole approval process came the freaking news that Texas banned people investing with BitConnect, and I think Virginia and the Carolinas banned them. Then after that, I couldn't get in my account, bro. And I think that was the last of it. Every time I tried to go in my account, it was the website was allegedly under a DOS attack. That's where someone is sending a lot of traffic, a lot of machine bots over there just attacking their server, so their server is overloaded and it can't handle the weight. I'm like, this bullshit. I didn't believe it, but you know, whatever. It could be the government. Who knows? And then so yeah, money got locked up. Then the account, I think the account finally, I remember at work one day and I got a call from my guy. My guy that's the guy who me and him been fucking with this thing, bro. Got a call from my guy, and my guy was like, man, whatchamacallit? He's like, yo, did you see what happened in BitConnect? That your money is now, it's now BitConnect coin, and your money is now worth nothing. He was telling me that he had like a bunch of money and that shit worth like, I think $500 or some shit. I'm like, what? Man, I went in, I think I had like $1,000 something, or like 15 to 1,600 something. One out of the two, I can't even remember. But that money went convert to their coin, and that shit just, man, that shit just got horrible, bro. That shit got horrible. And then I transferred the coin over to like one of those sketchy ass exchange sites. So because at the time, see, Coinbase don't take BitConnect coin, and Robinhood and all those things that the regular consumer can access don't take it. So they have these things, bitch, get the fuck out of my way. So they got these things where these regular fucking thing can take it. What you call it? No, not regular thing. You got this I wouldn't say secret, but more advanced investor in crypto can access. So before Binance, I think Binance is probably has a better UI now. But before, Binance was a thing where you had to know, you had to be technical to go on Binance.com. But it wasn't Binance. I went on some shit called Yuku Coin, which is YOKUCOIN.com. And it was like I don't want to say the exchange is sketchy, but the exchange is sketchy. That's why, you know what I mean? Because I would get hacked by people in the Philippines and people in like, and I'm sure I probably didn't have some. No, hell no. I think I had a aggressive password. I think I had password with capital letter, numbers, and a symbol. So I don't know. And them boys hacked the freaking account like 3 times. I remember that account got hacked 3 times in like one night. That's how weak the freaking security is. And I didn't have 2-factor authentication. So you know how that goes. So these boys hacking it, but I didn't care because I didn't have much money in it. I think I went on it to buy I think a coin called Yoshi coin, which a Satoisa or some shit, Yoshi coin, some shit like that. And this shit was like in its ICO, which is the initial coin offering stage, and that shit was like less than a penny. Speaking of which, I have a coin out there, man. I can't remember that shit. I bought like $700 worth of that coin in its ICO. Whoa. I had to slip. I felt that. Yeah, you know when you slip, when you like I hit a puddle and the truck slip a little, that shit, your stomach become light. You goddamn, the lower part of your stomach, that shit become light, and then you feel this weird fucking sensation in your chest towards your heart, like you're about to have a fucking stroke. But you gotta keep composed, man. You gotta be like, whoa, the fuck, then move on, man. Pray, be glad shit didn't go left. But anyway, man, the fucking bruh, this shit say all 4 of my truck tires need air. It's freaking cold, so I'm just gonna drive to the gas station now and buy air. But anyway, man, so I bought that coin. I can't even remember the coin name. I bought that thing before the initial coin stage offering. Hopefully it's something. If not, it's probably just another scam. But that's the thing, man. When you're an investor, that's why you gotta have money, have liquid to invest, because investing takes it comes with a lot of loses if you're investing in like new things that you've never heard of before. Like for example, when someone come with like a white sheet saying they're bringing a new coin to the table, like you don't know what the hell you're doing. You probably gonna get scammed, and you might get scammed. You know what I mean? But think about it. If it were like, think about if someone had came to you and be like, yo, buy Bitcoin, and you bought Bitcoin when you bought like a Raspberry Pi, when you had a Raspberry Pi and have it mining Bitcoin when you couldn't buy Bitcoin, when there was no exchange. You had to like have these little machine freaking figuring out mathematical issues in the background, and every time it's solved, it would get a percentage of a coin. And it's like a bunch of your computer and a bunch of other computers in a pool on a network trying to solve these problems. And if the pool solved the problem, every computer that contributed get a percentage of the coin. Like, think about if you were in it back then and had like, let's say 80 grand invested in machines, and you making like a good, let's say 150 a day, or a good 150 every month per se. You probably would be making a good 150 a day if that was like your big freaking Bitcoin farm, because that's what those are called, Bitcoin farms. If you had a Bitcoin farm, man, boy, you be, and now Bitcoin is at like 56,000 a coin. Man, I'm telling you, boy, go on, idiot. I'm telling you, boy, that you would be nice, man. Fucking A. Shit, I would be nice. We all would be fucking nice. We would be Bitcoin rich. Because that's the thing. You got people Bitcoin rich right now that's in silent. You know what I mean? You got people that just quiet about it right now. But yeah, we just enjoying, let's try to get to the next level, man. Like, you always want to get to the next level in life. You never want to come. Once you buy that luxury car that you want, the next day you're going to think about, what's my next luxury car? Once you get that dream home that you want, the next day you want to think about, what's my next dream home? Like, you never want to be complacent in life. I know I never want to be complacent in life. I always want to be improving to the point that when I look back, I'm like, wow, I can see the difference at least every year, or you know what I mean, every 5 years, if that's the milestone it takes to achieve success. Because success don't happen overnight, man. Don't let nobody tell you anything. you gotta grind. It took me a couple years to be like, yo, I'm good. And I'm still not at the point in life where I'm like, yo, I don't gotta ever wake up again. That's where I wanna be. I wanna be at the point where I'm like, man, I don't ever have to wake up again. Like, I don't have to leave my bed again. I don't have to wake up like I could freaking go sleep for days. I just probably wake up to like release my feces and shit, and then boom, I'm out. That's it. Like, I want to be that super fucking rich, boy. Can you imagine that? Like, Bill Gates rich ain't no rich. I gotta say, man, I don't know how the hell Bill Gates this rich and he's like just Bill Gates doing mad thing with his money. I mean, you know, you just don't see it. But them balling on they flex at a different level. Like, Bill Gates can be like, I own all the farmland in America in a conversation. And we'll never get to see that moment, and we'll never get to be there to be like, you know, Bill, we know that you own all the farmland in the world or in America, but you ain't gotta, like, we know you're rich, bro. You ain't gotta talk about it. We're not in those conversations. The media is not in those conversations. But I'm sure freaking Bill Gates wake up and be like, you know, I own all the farmland in America, like, to some of his friends, bro. You gonna tell me that Bill Gates ain't human? He ain't got emotion. He does not feel joy and does not feel accomplishment and does not celebrate success? Man, get the fuck out of here with your unsuccessful self. Because you gotta be unsuccessful. You gotta never experience successfulness to not fucking understand that feeling of, oh my God, I gotta fucking tell somebody this. I gotta show somebody. When you're successful, remember, before you become successful, no one believes in you. And the people that do believe in you can't really do anything for you. Let's just be honest. Majority of the people that believe, majority of our supporters can't do anything for us on a one-on-one basis. But that support is more than a motherfucker that can do something for you. Because here it is. Your friend might not be able to give you $1 million, right? But he might know 10 people that know 10 people that know somebody that can give you $1 million. And that support is priceless. If you can freaking, let's say you release a song today, you're an upcoming artist, you release a song today, and your friend know a friend who is in the street with freaking Lil Durk. You freaking now on the radar of Lil Durk. A person who don't have that connection, you know what I mean? But then you gotta know your value, man. Just because someone got those type of connection don't mean you now a slave or you now gotta be a bitch for them. And that's why I say that support is more valuable, because chances are those people know what it is like to be at the bottom and want to see you succeed, so you can go there and basically bring them up. You know what I mean? But fucking the one with the money, the one with the money have one agenda: a return on his money, man. Let me tell you that. Any investment guy, any rich friend you so-called claim me you got, when you go to them with the idea, they don't give a fuck. When my friends come to me with their ideas, man, I don't really care about their ideas, to be honest, and they know, because I'm a straightforward person. I'd be like, man, and if it's something that's not grabbing my attention, I'd be like, man, I don't feel that. Like, I wish you the best of luck. I'll give you words of encouragement, but I'm gonna tell you, bro, that's not me. I have no interest in that. It's not gonna go where I would want it to go. I can't scale it. That's my thing. If I can't scale it, I don't want to be a part of it. I can't scale it. I have to always be able to scale. You get what I'm saying? How can I grow? How can I expand? How can I make $1 billion out of it? That's my thing. If I can't make $1 billion out of it, man, I probably won't have any interest in it. But even if I don't make $1 billion out of it, as long as the possibility is there where I could fuck around and make $1 billion out of it, I'm down. I'm down to try being a software engineer, because I could have goddamn near fuck around and make $1 billion out of it. You get what I'm saying? This nigga road wet nigga, I ain't waiting, bitch. And then freaking where I'm at with it, boy. I probably should go this place. I mean, I like their pump. You know, I should have went to the other pump. Yeah, so yeah, if I can't scale, I don't want to be a part of it, man. That's just my memo, boy. That's just my what's it? Is it memo? That's just my MO. Yeah. My mode of operation, buddy. My MEO, boy. So yeah. Oh, please tell me that shit working. Don't you hate when you go to put hair in your tire and them goddamn valves ain't working? They're like, oh, the valves ain't working. You're like, what the hell? How often people be having ear issues? Damn, nigga, you had to go wide, boy. You better not hit my truck. I mean, if you hit it, I'm sure your company's insured and I'll be aight. Bitch, I will fuck you up. I don't think it's me. I don't think it's me. It wasn't me. Because that's the thing. Don't you hate people that, like, there was one time I was driving, man. This motherfucker behind me, bro. Just, like, we on the freeway. It's 4 lanes, bro. This guy, man, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I was a bit high, so I was driving fast. The speed limit is 65, and I was going, like, around 50. This guy can't wait. Impatient ass. This nigga, bro. This nigga, man. Just behind me, bro. Man, I have to stop my car. I ain't gonna tell this story. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, man. So, yeah, that's my jibber jabber for the day, man. Catch you in the next video, man. I gotta go put air in my tire and then freaking go fucking get this food from my girlfriend and hang out with her and shit. Catch me a shower, relax, probably watch a movie, play a few Mario. And you know how it is, man. Maybe hop online, do some work, man. Because, you know, they got in my head with all the gifts and shit. Yeah, they know how to make a slave out of me. But anyway, man, I'll catch you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next video, man. Beans, say bye. Beans high right now. I would think. Anyway, take care, guys.